Now we proceed to paragraph 4 of part 4 of the chapter Madam Rides the Bus. Her mother said, "Yes, you are right. So many things in our midst and in the world outside. How can we possibly know about everything?" So, this is the conversation that was taking place between her mother and her aunt. And even when we do know about something, we often can't understand it completely, can we? "Oh, yes," breathed Wali. "What?" her mother asked. "What is that you say?" Wali said, "Oh, I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge." Remember one thing, when Wali returned to her home, her village, she did not forget the incident that happened with her, mishappening, which has lessened her enthusiasm. She was remembering the episode, that is the death of young cow. She was remembering it again and again. And when her mother was saying, "Yes, you are right. Many things happens in our life that we do not know it." Okay, so general conversation is taking place, and Wali was thinking about same happening. She was saying, "I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge. Just a chit of a girl she is," her aunt said. "And yet look how she pokes her nose." Pokes means takes an interest in something that doesn't concern her, just as though she were a grown lady. Wally smiled to herself. She didn't want them to understand her smile. But then there was not much chance of that, was there? Okay. So means after hearing the conversation that took place between her mother and her aunt, their conversation made Wali happy. We can say it so because she had got some knowledge here. Knowledge is this: several incidents took place in our life and we are not aware of those incidents. Now correlate with Wali. When Wali went to the city, town, and when she was returning, it was not expected that she will see dead body of young cow. That was not expected from Wali's side. So this conversation consoled Wali. The things happened in our life, we are unaware of it. So यहाँ पे एक कन्वर्सेशन उसकी मदर और आंट के बीच होती है, जनरल कन्वर्सेशन है, जो बातें कर रहे हैं। हाँ, इस दुनिया में बहुत सी ऐसी घटनाएं घटित होती हैं जिसके बारे में हमें जानकारी नहीं होती है और इन चीज़ों को व्यक्ति नहीं समझ पाता है। तो इन बातों को जब वाली सुनती है तो उसको थोड़ा सा कंसोल महसूस होता है, क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में अभी भी ये चल रहा है उस यंग काऊ का मर जाना, वो उसको नहीं भूल पा रही है। उससे के कारण उसका जो इंतज़ाम था जर्नी का वो कम हो गया था। लेकिन जब वो उनकी इन बातों को सुनती है तो उसके बाद समझ में आती है कि वास्तव में इस दुनिया में बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जिस व्यक्ति नहीं समझ सकता। और वाली के साथ जो हुआ, वाली को ये नहीं मालूम था कि ऐसा भी उसके साथ होगा, कि वो इस बिटर एक्सपीरियंस को भी अनुभव करेगी। तो ये जनरल सी चीज़ें हैं जो वाली के जीवन में घटित हुई और वाली ने अपने इस एक्सपीरियंस से काफ़ी कुछ सीखा भी, और इसके कारण उसको बातें समझ में आ गई कि इसको लेकर उसे दुखी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हर घटना को व्यक्ति नहीं समझ सकता। ओके, सो दैट इज़ ऑल फ्रॉम this chapter, that is Madam writes the bus. So here in the whole chapter you have seen, the whole chapter revolves around one main character, that is Wally. This chapter describes only the experiences of Wally when she started her journey. She had a deep desire to take bus journey. She had fulfilled her desire. After fulfilling her desire, she had experienced a lot. Okay, with that experience, sometimes she became happy, sometimes she became unhappy, but later on she understood that things that happened in her life that cannot be predicted, that is far far away from humans knowledge. Okay, thank you.